Now, this is coming as Delhi colleges that have now received similar bomb threats that has been made to multiple schools in Delhi of late who have been receiving such bomb threats via email. And about 20 colleges, the information that is now coming about is that the security threat emails that has been received, as far as when it comes to the police is concerned, that has been tracking these bomb threats and where exactly are they emanating from. 20 of those colleges, including Delhi University institutions, that have now received these bomb threats. And these messages claim that there were high-powered explosives that has been planted and carried out phrases like student deserve freedom. Now, if this is a prank or this is a serious security situation or a threat, that is something when it comes to the security teams that have been immediately now pressed into service. Let's get in a word from Priyank now. Priyank, right from schools now to colleges, the menace continues.
Yes, Amita, these threats have been increasing day by day. And this is the first threat call which has been received by any of the educational institutions in the national capital. This happened yesterday when the panic spread among principal colleges here in the national capital, which led to a very brief search by the security forces and from the disposal spot. But fortunately, nothing suspicious has been found, as the Delhi police has been investigating the previous threat emails which has been received to the school. What we have been getting to know that these are based through VPN, and certainly the exact sender's location is yet to be tracked by the police officers.
All right. Thank you very much for the update, Priyanka. This is now coming in from schools now to colleges. Appropriate protocols that are now being followed, as far as 20 of these Delhi colleges have received these bomb threats. In the meantime, let's move on and talk about the building collapse, unfortunately, that was reported in Maharashtra's Virar.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.